How do you break a JavaScript while loop? Imagine running a loop that keeps asking for input or processing data endlessly. Sometimes you need to stop it at just the right moment. That's where breaking a JavaScript while loop comes into play. If you want to control your code and prevent it from running forever, understanding how to break a loop is key. In JavaScript, you break a while loop by using the break statement. When the program encounters this statement inside a loop, it immediately stops executing the loop and jumps to the code right after it. This is super useful when you want to stop the loop based on a condition that might change during execution. Here is how it works step by step. First, a while loop runs as long as its condition is true. Inside the loop, you can check for a specific condition using an if statement or other logic. When that condition is met, you execute the break statement. This instantly stops the loop, no matter what the original condition was. After breaking out, the program continues with the code that follows the loop. Let's look at an example. Suppose you want to keep asking a user for numbers and sum them up, but stop if they enter a negative number. You can write a loop that runs forever with while true. Inside, you check if the number is less than 0. If it is, you use break to exit the loop. This way, the loop keeps running until the user enters a negative number, at which point it stops immediately. Here's what that might look like. Let total is equal to 0. While true. Let input is equal to prompt, enter a number. Let number is equal to number, input. If number is 0. Break, exit loop if number is negative. Total plus is equal to number. Console log, current total, total. In this example, the loop runs endlessly because the condition is true. But when the user enters a negative number, the break statement stops the loop instantly. This prevents the program from running forever and gives you control over the flow. You can also use break in other loops like for loops or do-while loops. It works the same way, stopping the loop when needed. Keep in mind, if you have nested loops, break only stops the innermost one unless you label your loops and use labeled break statements. Remember, the continue statement is different. It skips the current iteration and moves to the next one, but it doesn't stop the entire loop. So, if you want to end the loop altogether, break is your best friend. Getting comfortable with break helps you write smarter, more flexible loops. Whether you're checking user input, searching through data, or stopping a process early, knowing how to break a loop is a fundamental skill in JavaScript programming.